Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC. So, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is delete the cache data. Start by going to the Start menu and searching for Run. Click on the Run icon. Inside the Run dialog box, type in %appdata% and hit Enter. This will open a folder where you should see a folder named Discord. Find the Discord folder. Then head into the Discord folder. Inside, there are 3 folders we need to delete: cache, code cache, and GPU cache. Right-click on each and select the trash icon to delete them. If you get an error message saying you can't delete the folder, it means the app is running in the background. Or you can right-click on the taskbar. A menu will appear. Then select Task Manager from there. Once you are in Task Manager, search for Discord in the search bar. Then find Discord and right-click on it. And then select End Task. Then go to the folder. Then first delete cache folder. Then delete code cache folder. And now finally delete GPU cache folder. If that didn't work, the next step is to make sure you're running Discord as an administrator. Go to your desktop. Then right-click on the Discord app shortcut. And then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. And check this option Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. If Discord still won't open, we need to check for any corrupt or missing system files. Go to the Start menu. Search for SEMD. Right-click on Command Prompt. And select Run as Administrator. In the SEMD window, type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. This will take a few minutes to complete and will automatically repair any corrupt or missing files. Next, we need to make sure your firewall isn't blocking Discord. Go to the Start menu. Search for Windows Defender. And select Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then, click Change Settings. Click Allow another app. Then browse. Then try to find Discord. And if you don't find the Discord app, don't worry. Go to your desktop. Right-click the Discord shortcut. And select Open File Location. And now we have to copy the location path. To copy location, click on this button. Then copy it. Simply click Ctrl+C to copy the location. Then go back to the Browse window. Then paste the location we copied in the top. And then click Enter. Then select the Discord update file. Then click Add, and then ensure that both private and public are checked. Then click OK to save the changes. If you've tried everything and Discord still won't open, the last step is a complete clean installation. Go to the Start menu. Then search for Programs. And then select Add or Remove Programs. Then find the Discord app. Right-click or click the three dots button and select Uninstall. Then close the Settings app. Then open your favorite browser. Once it is opened, click on the search bar. Then search for Discord. Then click on the first official link. Then click on Download for Windows. Then download the app and complete the setup. Hopefully, following these steps has resolved your issue. And that's how you fix Discord not opening on PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.